Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof of the website. I claim much more withdrawal from this website pay you 100% free and safe. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website pay you much more. And right now I want to share with you the withdrawal proof. This much withdrawal this website paid, this much user this website has, not too much. This much Faucet claim, this much short links, and this all. Just I have this much coin, just I want to withdraw. Okay, I want to withdraw in my Faucetpay. I change my Faucetpay wallet orders because the Faucetpay wallet orders will be changed and you can withdraw to your Faucetpay. And I show you how you can change your Faucetpay wallet orders. Click this one and just delete this one and copy your new Faucetpay wallet address in here. Okay, after that just click save it. This will be automatically changed. Okay, and after that you withdraw your coin from this website. Just go to your Faucetpay, just click withdraw, and this website pay you instantly. And the minimum withdrawal is this much coin. I have much more coin, just 410 I have. Just I click request. This is the wallet address, and this will be send me this much satoshi instantly in my Faucetpay. And I go to my Faucetpay, show you this website pay me or not. Okay, this website one of the best website. I make much more withdrawal from this website, and this website pay me all the time. And you can see this is all the withdrawal I made from this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website, and bye bye for now.